Hiya guys, today I'll be talking about this beautiful cat, my little kitty Witty. She's just seen something on the table, so she's gone. Well, I'll be talking all about her. She's not actually my cat. She is actually the person who used to live here used to own a cat, and my next door neighbour said, I think 2 days ago, oh, it's Ranald. Well, I can't remember his name, but call him Mr. Carter. Used to have a cat called Kitty, I think. So that's why she keeps coming here. I don't know where she lives at the moment. I want to know where she lives so I can go speak to owner to say, please, can I have this cat? I would really like to own her. And, well, I called her Kitty and she gets really used to me, really. And, yeah, she's a cute little cat, aren't you? Come on, up here. Up here. Up here. No, up here. Up here, I want to... Oh. Sorry, Kitty. What? My Kitty now. Kitty, she's about 2 years old. I don't know. I think she is actually 2. I'll have to go to owner and find out. Well, it's not actually the owner. It's like a care owner sort of type thing. Figure of speech. Well, I hope I get to find out where she lives soon. And I hope you like my cat. I'll try and get her up here to say hello. Kitty! Hi! Up here. So this is my little cute kitty. Kitty, just sit down, please. Oh, lay down. Down here. My little baby, aren't you? Well, she's my little baby. Kitty, look at camera. So there she was. I hope you like this video. Please comment below and like if you know where she belongs. Well, bye for now. Bye.